I don't know if we're gonna do much formation, but I'm just gonna do some touch and goes. No, go. Go ahead, Jack. We're running out of daylight.
Throttle cut. Normal mode. Throttle cut.
Oh no, it's on fire!
Normal mode.
You like it? You like it? Oh, then it sets itself up, yeah. That's fine. I think it's because of the sub trim. There's sub trim in it, so once you move the stick, it gets rid of it. That's so it comes on earlier. Want to go there? Go. Alright. I'll be over here, Jack. I know, this is the only thing missing on this. No room, though. Can't really stick together though because it's hard to see.
Let's just go.
Go.
Let's go crazy.
No. I'm trying to fly close. Go. I'm not gonna go far either. Come on.
Come on in.
We're taking off right now.
Up.
Whoa, what was that? It's hard to see. It's very hard to see right there. I'm staying over here.
There you go.
I can't see it at all.
Oh my god. Oh mama.
All I see is burner. All I see is burner.
I'm gonna land.
Good recovery, Jack. I know you can't hardly see it. It's hard to tell.
Landing!
Go to the right side. Your landings?
Yeah, dude, I can't see this thing. Landing!
All I see is bright orange.
I can see this thing okay.
It's because of the color. You coming in? Okay.
I might have to land the other way.
Woo! Dude, that was landing.
I can't see anything.
By
Blind.
approximation.
Yeah.
Jeez.
That burner's glowing too. Yeah, Frank, look, I put wigwag on the LEDs.
Okay, so I can't really.
Oh, nice. That was.
I got to figure out where the hell I am.
I can see because I'm pink.
Time remaining.
I can't see nothing.
Look at my light though. This is
Oh my god. I'm like blank.
I can see fine.
I can't, so just give me some space. Jesus, I can't see nothing. I can. No, don't. Please don't. Because I can't see.
Dude, my LEDs are so distinctive.
I gotta come back around.
Come back the other way.
No, I'm good. Just give me space.
I'm giving you as much space as I possibly can, man. For once, the pink comes in handy.
Flying blind, baby.
IFR flying.
Literally. IFR with no instruments. Oh wow, that was hard. Oh man, that was a little freaky.
Dude, you can see my plane clearly.
I think I could see my hawk okay if I flew it, but.
Look at the LEDs. Look at the LEDs though.
Oh yeah.
Time
Here, I'll come right at you. You can really tell.
What the hell was that?
It's a spot. You can really tell through that wigwag.
Oh yeah, I see it. Oh, that's good. Your favorite dink pink.
I may need to land the other way. Like,
Yeah, you can't see. There's not much wind. You'll be all right. That was freaky. I could not see a thing. Okay, that was kind of scary.